It's the Wray Nephew Contender.
It's the tiebreaker tonight here on the Wray Nephew Contender, brought to you in association with Ting and Fly Jamaica Airways. Now, we also would like to say thank you to our official gym for the series, which is Fit Farm Fitness Club, located at 2 Upper Braemar Avenue. Now, we just saw the opponent from Team Canada before the break, but what about our Jamaican boxer? Well, he is certainly one of Jamaica's most loved boxers, and if you have seen him fight, then you know why. Him have heart. What's his mission this season? Let's find out from Tetsi Lights Out Davis.
Yo. So right now, hunt for me and my little one, is it? I'm hunting. Yeah.
This is Tetsi Lights Out Davis. You know about me that back in the contender one more time, get one more year. So if this year is not my year, you know, so boy, I call it quit, you know.
This year me a flip it the winner, cause me nah go me yard without my youth them dinner. I'm in the money.
Dinner's last year, he just fortunate, it's a fortune. Them say accident, and I don't know if I wishful or accident or what, but it just happened that way. I'm happy to just hold it that way. I don't grudge no one, I don't even know one, you know, cause when I'm doing my thing, I just doing my thing. I know they don't want to about this whole face and no tall. None of the guys them. You know enough of them is fretting when they see this man. Because this man is not an easy man.
All the things I've done, all the things I've done, all the things I've done, mama just come. Follow me.
Last year no knockout never go on, no lights never out. But I'm gonna try it hard. Because I get a new job on JPS now. They're gonna employ me, so I'm just working on the new power plant.
Follow me, me a God bikini, say me a God bikini. So all you want to me say you can't stop me. God bikini, say me a God bikini. So all you want to me say you can't stop me. Just take your mind off of me, take your mind off of me. I know me make you now, make no more.
The electricity man is coming to put out somebody's lights tonight. But first, let's head back to the locker rooms where Patrick Anderson is standing by with the boxer, Tetsi Davis.
Thank you very much, Crystal. If we can just get a quick word here with busily preparing Tetsi Davis. Tetsi, 7 contender seasons, and you have been in 6. What keeps Tetsi Davis coming back?
This is my job. This is what I do. This is what I love. So you're going to see me all the time because this is boxing. I love boxing.
You're a technician, and your opponent boasts a lot of speed. Have you prepared to confront that?
Well, I'm here to do my job, you know. I'm here to do my thing. So guess what? We have done our work. So guess what? Any more question after the fight, you can ask me.
Well, I got to ask you this final one because you did have some difficulty making the weight. Are you feeling strong? Luckily, you had a day to come into the fight.
Well, I'm saying after the fight, you ask me any questions. I'm finished. Cool. Just want the bell ring now.
All right, Tetsi Davis, seemingly eager. Tetsi Davis and Dave LeBlanc in a little while from now. It's back up to Crystal.
Listen, I'm hyped, right? This one is going to be a good one. I can feel it already. Will Dave be too fast and furious for his Jamaican rival tonight? Or will Tetsi Davis put the lights out on yet another victim? Dave LeBlanc squares it up with Tetsi Davis when we return here on the Wray Nephew Contender.